Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna go shopping and actually I got offer today unexpectedly. So, let's go shopping together and then I'm gonna do unboxing soon. Love their cashmere coat. It's so light. Love the pastel colors. And their silk top and silk dress. The color is so vibrant. Let's check shoe section. They have so many summer color. I love white color, orange, yellow. Surprise! I got offer. Let's do unboxing. Today, I'm gonna do the unboxing of my second quarterback. You guys know I have Kelly last year. It's been like 6 months. I got this Kelly. Before Christmas, I got this. I was not going to MS store till March. This year, March, I start to go again and start to get things for next quarterback. And now, beginning of June, and I got my another quarterback here. Yeah, so I am so excited to share with you guys. I can compare both bags, how the process was. I really want to share with you guys. I got this Kelly like in kind of like 3 months. September, I started to go for my first quarterback. I started to buy things from Hermes, what I need. It took like 3 months to get this one. To get this Kelly, I had to spend like, if I talk about ratio, I can say, yeah, 1.501. ratio. That's what I had to go through. Usually, Beverly's store I go, people usually say you need to spend like twice of this price of bag, then you get offer. But everyone has different purchase story and everyone's journey is different, even in same store. For me, I had to spend a little bit more than this bag price, but what I bought at the time for my Kelly was like a gold jewelry, silver jewelry, and 2 watches and 1 ready to wear. So total was like a little bit more than this, yeah, bag price. And then I was going like every the other week, something like that. I just wanted to be done with it and then forget about it. And I never knew I gonna go for a second quarterback, which is this one. Yeah. By the way, there is a surprise, another one. Right before Christmas, I got this bag. And I didn't go to Hermes store till like March at all. I didn't shop at all from Hermes. And then I was like not like interested in getting another bag at the time. I just wanted to be like done with it, to be honest. But you know, everyone has like not one dream bag. There's like more than 2 dream bag, right? Many people has. Or there's a wish list, yeah, going on. So like I was thinking about next bag. Since I got Kelly, I wanted to get Birkin, but I was not sure when it's gonna be. So I didn't want to rush and I didn't want to go continuously. So for my second bag, it was so fast than I thought. I actually was waiting for mini bags. It took so long to get Evelyn TPM size, almost 3 months. So I was waiting for mini bag. I was not even asking for any like quarterback at the time. I was just asking, I want 1 Evelyn and 1 Picotin. And also, I was ordering Kelly to go wallet, also Constant to go wallet. But I was thinking maybe after summer, after I got all this mini bag one by one, I can take time and I can ask what I wanted. But when I was like talking about wallet to go bags, something like mini Kelly is not quarterback, right? I was just asking casually, like when I was buying other things and ordering other mini bags. My essay said actually Kelly 25 and 20 is quarterback. So if you order that, you can't order like Birkin in 6 months or something like that. So you know, every 6 months you can order 1 quarterback. So I was like, oh really? Then I don't need to rush, but I would want maybe Birkin since I have 1 Kelly. So she said, okay, which color do you want? She was asking when I was getting other things like silver jewelry or like Evelyn. So this is exactly the one I told her. And it happened after, if you watch my previous video, after that, a week later, suddenly she called and then saying, actually, I got what you really want. I didn't expect it's gonna come. I didn't order for you, but it is here. So it's available. If you're interested, come today or tomorrow. I'll show you. And I'm like, wait for me, I'm coming. Yeah, so that's what it happened. So this bag happened too soon, to be honest, for me. Let me do unboxing. And I will talk about what I got before I got this offer, what I was getting. I will talk about it after I do unboxing. So since I have Kelly, I prefer Birkin this time. So I was talking about actually Birkin. So this is Birkin. So you might guess by size of the box. I was so happy and I didn't expect I'm gonna get this early, but I was lucky. God, I am so excited. So this is my second quarterback. Let me open. The size is, yes, 25. It's 25 Birkin. And the color, you might guess because I mentioned a few times about what is my next dream bag on my wish list. I have a Epsom, so I wanted Togo leather. So this is a Togo leather. And the color is, yes, black. Color is black. I was so happy to see this because I didn't expect I'm gonna get a call from my essay and then get this bag. Birkin 25 Togo leather in black and gold plated hardware. I love it. Yeah, so I have now Kelly in gold, Birkin in black. This was my wish list. Two of these was my dream bag. It's not easy to put like this. You can still do it. But for winter time, when you wear like a coat with long sleeve, I don't think you can wear like this. But it fits. It's not like a snug fit here, but still Birkin is more tote bag, so I prefer small size so far. Love this Togo leather. It has like very casual vibe. Looks so soft, and I love the Lutheran shape with Togo leather. Oh my god, this is it. So beautiful. And I already opened and then put the key here, the gold plated hardware. Doesn't get sludge easily, I think, because it's small and kind of structured because the size is small. So I would prefer this size than 30. You can wear with just any casual style, dress up and down, anything gonna fit because it's black color and small size. There is a zipper pocket and also this side there's another pocket. So let's see what fits inside and then we'll talk about how I got this. So I'm gonna put small wallet and my key, my sunglass case. So if it's a lot, you don't need to worry about phone, everything gonna fit. Compared to my first quarter bag, I didn't buy, for example, gold jewelry or I didn't buy watch. And I bought just one like t-shirt dress and also I bought Pegase bracelet, this one. And also I bought this necklace, pendant necklace. I think it's an amulet age pendant necklace, yeah. And I got two Oran, one denim, one white with stud, if you remember. And also I got two scarves, 90 by 90. I'm talking about without bags. Also I got one lipstick and I got another necklace, the 120 centimeter Farangdo necklace, if you remember, the silver one. So I got only like silver jewelry or fashion jewelry and one ready-to-wear like t-shirt dress. Pretty much fashion jewelry, silver jewelry, ready-to-wear, and Oran, two Oran, and scarves. That's it. So I was like calculating how much I bought to get this bag. And this bag price, let me reveal this bag price first. I'm not gonna talk about tax because it's all different up to the state. So here in California, LA, it's like 9.5%. But the bag itself, Birkin 25 Togo leather in black was $9,750 in USA. What I bought, I was like list down and I was like checking, but I didn't buy more than this bag amount this time. I think when you get first quarter bag, it's a little bit hard to get because it's the first time you try and then they also want to maybe figure out what kind of customer you are really loyal to them, something like that. So it takes time and you need to buy more like expensive thing, I feel like. But once you got first one, it's getting easier and easier. So when I was getting this, I was not expecting I'm gonna get this quick because it took from March. I was buying for 2 months and I didn't buy a lot. So lucky I thought, but I think once I got first quarter bag, second quarter bag, it's easy. That's what I feel. Yeah, and you don't need to spend a lot compared to first one. Surprise! I almost forgot about this. I love this because this one is kind of new style. So this is Rodeo with wings. It's called Pegasus Rodeo or Pegase Rodeo, as I know. So let me open the color and the size. It's PM size, small size. Oh my god. Ta-da! So pretty. PM size Rodeo. So I liked it because it has like 1, 2, 3 color. Pretty much match with any bag, I would say. So this is a sesame color. So it kind of matches with my. For the summer, maybe I can try to put here because gold color is almost same as sesame color, so it kind of matches. The body part is blue brim. So if you remember my evening from last time, it's almost same color, but let me show you. So it matches even here well. Pale blue color, but this one is blue brim. Blue brim is more like lighter color, I would say. I don't think it matches with my Birkin. Yeah, it's like too much. Doesn't match with any color. But I actually ordered another color of this Pegase Rodeo. So I'm waiting for it. It's totally different color, but also kind of summer color. So this one is a Vert Phosphor, kind of green color between green and blue. This one is blue brim. This one is sesame. I was waiting for 2 months. The other Pegase Rodeo is still coming. I don't know when it's coming. So, but I'm happy to get this one with my Birkin together. Yeah, so I might pretty much use with my Evelyn because it kind of matches with like light blue color together. Yeah, so this was my surprise unboxing. So how was it? Hope you enjoyed my video. If you are interested in any fashion, luxury brand, lifestyle in LA, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Chanel new launching day is coming, so I might try to visit Chanel stores soon, maybe next week. But after that, I think I'm gonna travel. Anyway, I'll try. So wait for it. See you soon. Bye.